7 Reasons why file your tax return early. Reason number 1. The earlier you file, the earlier you get your refund. A good reason to file your taxes early is you'll get your money sooner. According to the IRS, the average refund was more than $2,800 for 2016 and 2017 tax filers. And why give an interest-free loan to IRS? Every year taxpayers have too much tax withholding from their paychecks, which means IRS is getting interest-free loans from you, so it's better to get your refund early from IRS. If you file your taxes early and get your refund, you can use that money to pay your bills, or you can use it to fund for a Valentine's gift or for a vacation with your Valentine. Reason number 2. You'll give yourself more time to plan for payment. Let's say if you prepare and file your taxes in the month of January and determine how much you owe, you will get almost 2.5 months time to arrange your payments to IRS. Reason number 3. You can prevent yourself from tax frauds. The IRS estimates that millions of taxpayers were victims of identity theft tied to tax return every year. Most tax return frauds occur early in the tax season. If thieves file a return using your social security number before you do, the IRS will reject your return since their records shows the refund has already been paid. If you are a victim of identity theft, it'll be on you to get things sorted out, which could not only delay your refund but also constitute a major headache. The IRS says it can take 120 to 180 days or longer to resolve tax-related identity theft cases. Reason number 4. You'll reduce stress. Early filers eliminate tax deadline stress. There's always peace of mind from filing early. Once your return is filed early, give yourself a small reward for being so efficient and responsible. Then relax while everyone else stresses out about getting their taxes done. Reason number 5. Your tax preparer will have more time for you. By mid-March of the 2017 tax season, that is 2016 tax returns, nearly 78 million people had already filed their income taxes. That left the remaining 68 million people just 1 month to file theirs by the deadline. Early filers have greater access to their tax preparer. As the tax deadline approaches, your tax preparer's schedule tightens. It is best to get on their calendar early when they have more time to devote to you and your return. Additionally, tax professionals often increase their fees as the tax deadline approaches. So waiting may also cost you more to have your return prepared. Reason number 6. Tax returns aid in loan documentation. You may need your tax return to buy a home. Some lenders for mortgages may want to see a completed tax return as proof of income. Getting your tax return done early, whether you owe money or expect a refund, gives you a head start on the paperwork you will need for these processes, and can reduce delays during the process. And finally, reason number 7. File early to fund an IRA before tax deadline. If you file early and get a refund, you can use the same money to fund an IRA before the April 15th deadline. Let's say if you are eligible to get a deduction for IRA in your tax return, but don't have funds for the contribution before April 15th, the smart way is to file your tax return early to get the refund and use the same refund for IRA contribution, which would help you to increase your tax savings. Take a look at 2017 tax statistics. Filing your taxes long before the April 15th deadline might not be your top priority, but there are many benefits to completing your return early. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you like this video, please do share it with your friends and colleagues, and urge them to file their tax returns too early just like you. Wish you a happy tax filing experience with AOTAX.com.